What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be creating a custom tribute shoe to Kobe Bryant. This is the Nike Air Force 1 Black Mamba edition. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's go. There we have it. There's the custom Air Force 1 Kobe Bryant Black Mamba edition shoes. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you want a chance at winning a pair of these, be sure to subscribe and drop a like, and give a shout out to your city in the comments below, or tag a friend on Instagram. I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.